Hey folks! Feeling stressed out? Today, I'm here to introduce you to the magic of Progressive Muscle Relaxation, or PMR. This technique is a game changer for reducing stress, anxiety, and muscle tension. Let's dive right in. PMR works on the idea that physical relaxation leads to mental relaxation. By tensing and then releasing different muscle groups, you can gain better control over stress responses. First things first, find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Now, let's get started with the feet. Tense the muscles in your feet and toes for about 5 to 10 seconds, then relax completely. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Gradually move up your body, tensing and then relaxing each muscle group: calves, thighs, buttocks, abdomen, chest, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, and finally your face. For each group, hold the tension for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax for 10 to 20 seconds. Focus on how your muscles feel as they relax, and let go of any remaining tension. Finish off with a few slow, deep breaths. The benefits of PMR are amazing. It reduces stress and anxiety, lowers muscle tension and pain, improves sleep quality, helps with headaches and chronic pain, and enhances mindfulness. For success, practice PMR regularly, take your time with each muscle group, and consider pairing it with deep breathing or meditation. Thanks for joining me today. Give PMR a try, and let me know how it helps you master stress. Until next time, take care.